Hello, this is Allrounder and let's play Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Last time we got the tower and we now have to go to that shrine. So let's start going. Hyrule base. Okay, we got a fish. More fish, more fish. There is an enemy camp. Let's invade later. So we are near the shrine. Okay, we have reached almost well. So this is the shrine. There are some metal boxes and there's nothing. So let's get in. A to examine. Sheikah slate confirmed. Travel gate registered to map. Access granted. So now let's go in. Now we are in Magnesis trial. A to examine. Sheikah slate authenticated. Distilling rune. Magnesis. Use selected rune from your Sheikah slate. Okay. Now we could pick up this door. Yeah, so now let's continue. Okay. That was funny. Now let's go. Okay. Oh. Yes, we got a treasure chest. We got another traveler's bow. Another one. lots of good bows. So we are here now. You have been proven to possess the resolve of a true hero. I am Oman Au, the creator of this trial. What a funny name. I am a humble monk, blessed with the sight of goddess Hylia, and okay. With your arrival, my duty is now fulfilled. In the name of goddess Hylia, allow me to bestow this gift upon you. Please accept this spirit orb. Spirit orb, a symbol of courage given to those who have overcome the challenge of a shrine. May the goddess smile upon you. So that was our first shrine. Pretty fun. That person is here again. It seems you have managed to get your hands on a spirit orb. Well done. How did you know? Clairvoyance? Oh, or perhaps just something similar. As one gets older, it can become more difficult to see what is right before one's own eyes. However, that which was once hidden from view can often be crystal clear. But perhaps that is not true for everyone. Oh, the appearance of those towers and the awakening of the shrine, it is all connected to that Sheikah slate that you carry on your hip there. What do you mean? It has been quite some time since I have seen that Sheikah slate. Long ago, a highly advanced tribe known as the Sheikah inhabited these lands. The great power of their wisdom saved this kingdom time and time again. But their ancient technology disappeared long ago, or so it is said. It is interesting, however, to think how something like that survived all this time hidden away in a shrine. These shrines are tucked away in numerous places all across this land. On this plateau alone, I believe there are still 3 more. Bring me the treasure from each of those shrines, and I will give you my paraglider. That wasn't the deal. Oh well, I suppose I changed my mind. I'm sure that won't be a problem for a young go-getter like you. Since I'm feeling generous, I will also teach you a trick for finding shrines. It's always best to survey the area by looking around a high point. Let's see here. How about you make your way to the top of the tower again? Got it. I admire your eagerness, but allow me to teach something else before you go. Take a look at that map on your Sheikah slate. See those blue icons? You should recognize the cave where you woke, the shrine you came from, and the tower. You can travel instantly to any of those places with the Sheikah Slate. Or so, I heard quite some time ago. I do not know if it actually works as such. So let's try it. Travel. Oh, that old man is here too. I'm surprised it took you so long to catch up with an old man like me. How did you? Oh, leave an old man his secrets. Now then, I wanted you to join me up here so you could use this as a vantage point to search for shrines. I already found one. Did you know about the scope on your Sheikah Slate? Look through it and you can stick a pin anywhere you would like to mark on a map. Okay? The pins on your map serve as a reference points for your travel. Just stick a pin anywhere you are interested in. I got it. Go ahead and take a look if you feel inclined to. Okay, now let's place one pin here because I found one shrine. Now let's try to find the other shrines too. I found one more. Now I found the last one too. Oh no, it's the same one. Oh, I found another one. Okay. Today we did our first shrine. The next shrines we'll do next time. Bye.